Hi friends, welcome back to the hillside. Today I'm going to be planting some strawberries. I've had them here for quite some time and they need to get in the ground. I bare root strawberries that I've had for a little while. I actually bought them about a month ago and they've just kind of been waiting for me to plant them. I'll show you which type of strawberries I have, and then I also have a surprise that I didn't think would come back from last year that I planted in my in-ground garden. And I planted this because it's a tropical vegetable. It's like a root vegetable and I really didn't think it was going to come back. So pleasantly surprised when I checked and I saw that they came back after the winter. Let me show you what it is before we plant the strawberries. So if you look closely, you can see here I have some Teraroot that I planted last year. I didn't think they were going to come back because we have some pretty harsh winters here. But I was pleasantly surprised to check a couple weeks ago and I saw some little tiny Teraroot coming back. In the Caribbean, they use both the leaves and the roots because all of this plant, the entire thing is edible. The Teraroot, which grows under the ground, is edible and it's a nice starchy root. It's kind of like a potato once it's boiled, but it does have a nice complex flavor. If you've never tried Teraroot, I implore you to try it. You can just peel them and toss them in your food directly and then cook them until they're soft, just like a potato. You can also use the leaves because the leaves are kind of like a spinach. So any type of way you would cook spinach, you would cook the leaves as well. We call it callaloo, where my background is from. So I'm very familiar with this plant and I can't believe it survived our Canadian winters. Let me give you a close-up of what it looks like. So you can see here, I had sunflowers planted here. The stalks are still here. I was actually thinking about keeping these in the ground because they're pretty strong. And then I could possibly grow like cucumbers up there and just kind of let them trail. But I think, Max, come back. Max just got a haircut. It's warmed up significantly. Last week it was kind of chilly and this week it is hot. Okay, back to the taro. I really didn't think it was gonna make it, but you can see we have taro and the leaves are here, and all three of the roots that I planted last year are all coming back. I didn't think the three of them would make it because I planted 3 parts of the root and I really thought our winters were gonna take it out. Can't believe it's still here. Absolutely amazing. I also have sweet potato vines that I have to plant soon, but that's gonna be another video. So here I have 2 different types of strawberries. It's the Mackenzie, they're Canadian, or they're specifically bred for our Canadian temperatures. Nice red or pink everbearing strawberry. And then I also got another pack of the white pine berry. And these get a little bit of a pink blush on them, but for the most part, they stay this nice white color. And I thought that would be so cool to grow these 2 because I think this one looks absolutely amazing and it's pretty rare. You don't usually see strawberries like this. So I thought it'd be cool to grow that. So I'm gonna plant them right here. I'm gonna go get some of my gardening equipment and I'm just gonna clear this area right here and just stick the roots in the ground. And I put them in some water in a bowl and I'm just rehydrated them for the night because I know they've actually been sitting for quite some time. So one, and then the other one is in the bag. I wanted to keep them separate so I wouldn't mix them up. Stay here, bud. Come. Come. Stay, bud. Don't go anywhere. Okay, finally got it done. The strawberry patch is complete. Okay, strawberries are planted. Teraroot came back, and I'm super excited to see this grow and maybe harvest a little bit of the root in the fall before it goes back into dormancy. And I'm so excited to see this thing come back every year, and I'll be keeping a video record of all of that so you can come back and see it. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel so you come back and see the progress, and to check out the next video where I'll be planting all of the sweet potato slips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay peaceful.